sit down and start to stress out myself over it. Most of them must see.
Welcome back, guys. So Gio and Ken basically under some allegations. Yeah, we are gonna talk about what the description of the video says. So stick around, subscribe and like if for your first time. You don't know Brii, also while up some school pitney, we're gonna talk about that. Alright, my people, so me could kick it off the right and proper way. So Gio and Ken under certain allegations, you see me? And if you don't notice them channel, them miss you for like, let's say 1 month. And you know, and people say them now post, but if you really look on some other platform and thing, you see some posts. But another we really come for talk about, you see me? So people, basically, Ken want beg on to stop use Gio and Ken name take people money and them product and now do them promotion. You see me? Basically differently from that. See like both of them take down them profile picture them off of them Instagram channel. So I want to allow the people them alone because them a go through them moment. Them a human being said way.
At this point I try to text me a call, no. I'm sit down and start to stress out myself over it. Most of them must see I'm a post Wednesday morning. I think it was Wednesday morning, early Wednesday morning, I post something on Instagram. But I got through some of the comment them and like, I don't know why everybody that text me and like Kenny's a joke and why me to post that? A prank and this not real and why me to post that? I don't want nobody to bash me under the comments. That's a plan really because me never want this and I'm my fault. Me not do nothing. Jail. I don't do nothing, I don't see what I do. But as I said for the last couple months, about 2 months ago, he never did show me no love like. I don't even know how to explain.
So anybody like fan base wise, you don't know they miss them and everybody a ball. I say, oh, wanna see them bring back them, you know. Yeah, people. So Brii differently went on one of them, you know, performances there with Silvers at Manchester, you know, high school, and the behavior it was unprofessional, guys.
What me move right there? This I don't know what me have phone.
I don't know what Silka go do, cause I'm manager, I'm girlfriend in one the people they must say it no look good, but at least him try to, you know, calm her down. But bro man, she mash up your career, cause your mentality and fair mentality are two different mentality. Anyways, she just need to be more professional, you see me?
I'm in my room lock up as I left, right? In my room my mom business. You see what people there for the life? Me never know my own business. So you know so one Jada Kingdom song coming on my head, so me I beat the Jada Kingdom song. Anyways, I come out and know I'm only phone song, I there snap to the Jada Kingdom song. When me I snap now, me hear one stone that scratch off the door. So me I say, Bumbleclaw, Louis! Louis! Yeah, I say Louis, so I think on the down at Louis. So you know, I'm still a snap. I'm still hear the door scratch off and I'm going to say, Louis! Louis! Yeah, Louis scratch off the door. And the phone on Louis there, you know. You know, I come so up and I walk so now. Because the door did lock so. I'm going to open the door so for look. When time me go in there for let out Louis. Look what I found on your bed.
Shit. I lie you tell. I must lie you tell. Vanny, let me kill your dog today, yeah?
You know what I mean, you know? I couldn't do nothing more than take up a shit for your car, don't know. You put your sheet them. I mean, now go in your room, go dig up when me no put down. So I leave one for change the sheet.
Hey, boy.
And then by the time take up the shit now and come home, me look pissed for it. And this flavor did that talk, boy. And this nails my flavor did that talk. But listen, and I go whip him bumbo clad, eh? $1,000 for 1 million years, I don't have it, sorry. You don't have it, me have to save it, no, me have to save it, I don't have it, sorry. Bumbo clad, this biggie. Let me see.
500 for me.
Pause. Over the sun, you go bite? Will you give me this to show that this me a talk about?
And you take you to the eye.
Hold on. Who them may send me? Oh, Tyler is here. Hold on. We have to change in the sheet them. Louis. I could go in down the room, go dig up sheet to put, but I don't know when to put in the sheet. That one thing, I mean, I go in down the room. Me only go in there for assist. Store what? People drink porridge a morning, at night now. We blood clear, cook big pot of porridge in a big Sunday. You know, see, man, cook the food here. Like the fridge. Larry question now, what Tyler going? Him gone?
No, we don't play the mind game, yeah? One whistle.
Say, I want big shit. Louis should pound better than mine. Just say, alien in my bed. The dog get pronounced dead. That's how the fella could do it. That's why I'm not looking here. We say what I'm looking for. That's why I'm shit back for the bed. Tarzan. I saw you calling me, but I couldn't answer because I did in the middle of make one video for one competition. Is this a prank, Vanny? This look like a prank too, no? So tell me something now. Me, I got take off one shit. That's what me nasty for up in that shit, for take up one shit, put for somebody bed. And then why would I prank my friends like that? I do that. Would I never take up that and put for nobody bed? Like, that's just not nice. I would never do that. I show no when I come see. And then, boy, I don't know what's up on it. If I did me, them would have laughed. So I'm going to call you when I'm off this, okay? I'll call you when I come off. Come see you call me now, but I make one video for one competition. What you mean by alright, like? I want thing, you know, you see that filter here? It time make you look like you have, where's the name? White skull, this look like to me. Gio, I see my lip tearing at 2. Gio, come up on the filter here. Blood clot, I want one. Nasa. Gio, something wrong with the filter. Push up your head. Alright, push it.
Nothing wrong with it. There's something wrong with you.
You know, so if I'm watching the show last night, it looked like some things are. Jay just happened a while ago, my mouth just split. Sure. No, man. You hear that? This is Tarzan alive. Oh, jealous. Y'all bitches jealous? No, for true, my lips split a while ago. I know me nasty doubles. I see it. It happened. Something split a while ago. I said, what the fuck?